This episode of One More Flip, we get another Falcon.
Well, we're down here back where it all started, down at the scrapyard. We've got a phone call on a EF Wagon. But while we're here, I thought what we'll do is we'll show you the car that we've got coming up soon. So right behind me, you should be able to see what our next flip, well, our future flip will be. Problem is we can't get it out because it's up there. And yes, it is a Subaru Vortex. The more I look at it, the worse it gets. So I'm not going to look at it too much. But where it is we just can't get it out. We've got all this stuff here at the scrapyard, which makes it very, very difficult to get out at this stage, because all these cars here have to come out and the fork can't get it from the front. So, and as a bonus flip, this is all the half cuts that you may, all these half cuts go over to Dubai. What they do is they cut them down there and these front bits go over to Dubai. So as you can tell, these are the popular models. So if you ever look in the scrap cars, these are the popular models that go over to Dubai. You know, the Hilux in the background, that's a good one. But we did buy, as a quick flip, this ultra clean EL Wagon. Now we couldn't ask for too many favours because they've helped us out in the past, and I think they paid a fair bit for this. So this might just be a super quick flip. It is a very clean old EF Wagon with roof racks. They basically want $1,000 for it. I didn't really want to pay $1,000 for it, but it was going to go to scrap. So I reckon we can save this old girl. It's super, super clean inside. 277,000 K, which is nothing for one of these. But got electric windows in the front. It looks like they're aftermarket. It does run. Super clean though. Got a bit of an exhaust leak. It is on gas, which kind of sucks, but looks like it's been well looked after. It has got Holden wheel trims on it, so tyres around all good. A little bit of surface rust, a little bit of rust coming through there, and a little bit there, which is not structural, but definitely. I'll switch him off. Switch him off for you, but get you in the back here. Yeah, she looks pretty, she's a very clean, it smells clean and looked after. It's a very genuine car, which is great. So, got the spare, see if we can find some forward wheel trims while we're here. But we'll pay these guys and get it out of their life. Yeah, I'll drive it, yeah. Tashako. All right, we're in our new purchase. We're in our new purchase vehicle. Was waiting for the toy, for the Forky to put his other car away. Yo, Jaden.
What?
We're going back to Cali. No, we're going back to Super Cheap Auto. 2 for $6.99.
Okay.
2 for $6.99. Get two. Get two. Two. So we need to get some polish, Jado, for the door.
That's the one?
That's the one.
That's the one. Let's get some.
Exhaust system sealer, crack joint and seam sealer.
Great for high temperatures.
Great for high temperatures, 20 bucks.
Good. That's the one.
We'll get that.
I've got exhaust bond thing.
Yep.
For the exhaust. We got
Exhaust
some
leak, some polish for the door.
for the doors, and then we got some tire shine.
Plenty of tyre shine. We've got
Don't
two.
run out.
We've got a year's supply of tyre shine.
Yes.
Alright, let's go back and get this car looking snazzy. Alright, so Jado, we have got this ELEF Falcon. I'm not sure if it's an ELEF, you tell me, 1996. They ran from 94 to 96, the EF, and then 96 to 98, and then the AU come out. So, as you've seen in the video so far, this is a pretty clean weapon.
Looks pretty, it's really clean.
It is clean, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know what I love? There's the roof racks. But you know what my favourite part is? It's the front.
This.
Is that cool? Is that cool?
Cool.
I reckon we're going to get a lot of people asking us just to buy this, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
So there's a couple of things that we do need to do on this car. Now, Jaden, you want to point out the things that we need to do on the doors here?
We need to put some polish on these doors. They look pretty bad.
So what's happened, Jaden, is you probably don't know, because you weren't there, you're at school the day I picked it up. But when they take it off the truck, what they do is actually fork it off. And what this is actually from the forklift.
Oh.
So it's really disappointing that they did that. But hey, it is what it is. So see if we can polish that out. The car presents really, really well. Obviously needs some tyre shine.
Yeah.
What else does it need? Tyre shine.
Tyre shine, some
I
plates.
actually ran down today and registered it. Got new plates for it. So she'll be registered with 3 months Reg-Jo.
Nice.
And just needs a few little white touch-ups here and there.
Yeah.
So if you look just down here, just along here, we can either try to polish this out.
Or,
yeah, polish it out. These are pretty common along here.
yes.
So that's what we really need to do at this stage to get this car back on the road. So let's get started. Let's get, I reckon we start polishing these doors first, see how it comes up. What do you reckon?
I think we should do that.
All right, let's do it.
So we got some cut and polish from Super Cheap Auto, and we're just going to open it up and try to get the doors clean.
All right, we'll come back to you and show you the results on how that went. Let's go.
Let's go. So I've been here polishing it for like a couple minutes now, and it turned out pretty good. It's not perfect. There's some dents and stuff, but we did pretty good.
Well, the problem is, Jaden, is the paint has also come off a little bit. So we'll try the other side where the other fork has been. This is a B4.
So I've been polishing here. Looks pretty good. Honestly, come out really good before and after. So
yeah, it'll come up really good actually.
yeah.
I mean, it's taken the paint off a little bit here and there, but it is what it is.
Well,
we can either replace the doors and start going over the top, and where do you start and where do you stop, Jaden?
Don't.
You know, that's the problem. Jaden's going to give all the plastics in the engine bay a nice clean, because this is a very, very clean engine bay.
Very clean.
No rust in the firewall at all. No oil leaks. This engine is extremely good.
Very good.
Clean wise and mechanically wise. And then obviously we have got an exhaust leak which we need to have a look at and see if we can fix it. We did get some exhaust liquid or putty or whatever. See if we can fix that.
Yeah.
Obviously we'll fully disclose this with the new owner, and you guys are here, we're doing it. We're not going to dodge it up. We're just going to put some, just to quieten it down, but hey, it is what it is. So that's twice as effective.
Very good. And then twice. Looks very clean now. Look at that.
Kind of like brand new.
Very good.
Yeah, someone's going to be a very nice proud owner of this one. It's actually a good car.
Look at that.
What do you
2
reckon?
tyre shines and you can make an engine like that.
Turbo mode.
Turbo mode.
What we need to do now is we need to fix, see if we can fix this exhaust leak for under $20. Whether it's actually the tip, whether it's the muffler, whether there's a hole in the pipe or it's actually something else, but I'll get you to jump in the car, Jade, and start the car.
Yes, I will do that.
And then what I'll do is I'll see if we can find the leak.
Let's do it.
So it sounds like it's definitely at the front here somewhere.
I think it's at the, yeah.
So let's get underneath here. Turn the wheel that way to the left so we can get a bit of a better angle, see what's going on here. Oh, it looks like someone's actually tried to fix it before. Here, with the muffler putty. I guess that's it there.
Oh yeah.
You can see it?
I can see it.
You can see that?
I can see it. Oh damn. There's some in there.
Can you running camera around this side so they can see?
Yeah.
Yep. What I'm trying to do is just put that in the hole there.
There we go.
Not really working. It's only a temporary fix, so we have to fully disclose this to the new owner.
Yeah.
Or just leave it as it is, loud, and
They might like it. I actually like it.
might like it. All right, we'll leave that for now. That's a tomorrow problem.
So we're taking Falcon out for a little drive to the car wash. We're just gonna get a little wash. How do you think it drives, Dad?
This car drives exceptionally well, actually. Nothing like an old Falcon. They do drive like glass on the road compared to the Commodore that we had.
Yes.
So smooth, so nice. And I'm not biased, obviously. I'm a little bit biased towards the Fords, obviously, myself personally, but look, I love every car, as you guys can see. But there's just something cool about an old 90s Falcon. This has been a wagon, obviously longer wheelbase, definitely very cool on the road. And it smells like brand new in here, doesn't it?
Brand new, yes.
It's like really, really good car, eh? I'm so glad that we went through the process to get this back on the road. But yeah, we're heading down to the car wash down at Port Adelaide. And we'll give her a little wash. We might give you a little montage when she's nice and clean, get the number plates on. What do you reckon, Jado?
Yeah, I think it'll look really good.
All right, we'll see you at the car wash.
You know I said it's true. I can feel the love. Can you feel it too? I can feel it all. I can feel it all.
Damn.
Damn, son. Where do you find this? No.
Bag in my
Just rolled up and had a quick test drive of the wagon. We put it up for 2,250 as you've seen in the video. They're just on a test drive now. We did record this, but we had it on slow-mo, the camera. So we'll just record them when they come back and see if we can make a deal. They just go.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
That's pretty good, eh?
Yeah. You haven't had any...
Just had exhaust.
Yeah, that's the other thing. You haven't had any leaks?
No, nothing. They're just down the front here, all clean up, oil leaks.
Did you detail the yourself?
Huh?
Did you detail the car yourself? Yeah.
But lots of people trying to buy that front tire, though.
Oh, really?
Other thing.
Got it.
Oh, yeah, it's just a cap.
All good if we do the rest on camera, man?
Yeah.
Put him in the dirt. Shawty came with a man's, but she's still trying to flirt.
And I just said to him, look, I'm not comfortable with that. One, I'm coming to somewhere I don't know. Two, it's going to be 3 hours of my life that I'm going to lose.
And if he says
if you
no
don't
when you get
buy
there,
it,
yeah.
then I've got to get the wife to follow me down. You know what I mean? Like, it has to become too much of a hassle. It's better for me. When you, Because when you break 100, they just feel like they just go away, don't they?
Oh yeah, we're going to drive home with your wallet and that.
Hey, you have a great day, guys and
Yeah,
girls.
you too. Thank you.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this episode of One More Flip. You've done a good job, Jaden, this one.
Thank
It was
you.
a bit of exciting. We actually, to what turned out to be a fairly boring car, turned to be quite exciting in the end. So I just wanted to go through some things before we finalise this video. Obviously, we paid $1,000 for the car at the scrapyard, and we spent $270 on the 3 months rego, and about $30 or $40 on the polish, the putty stuff, and some that is a special on Tyre Shine, 2 for $5 or $6 or whatever it was. So
Saved a bit of money.
yeah, just wanted to, obviously we listed the car for $2,250 obviously. We had a few inquiries. We had a guy call us or message us on Facebook and say he wanted to come and grab the car. He come out and looked. We did, obviously you've seen the footage of that. He did lowball us at 1,800. We said let's go $2,000. Not making a huge amount of profit, but we're still getting a car back on the road. In the end, I said, look, let's just do it for 1,900, get it out the way. That was about an hour or so after we'd listed the car. This obviously was filmed and done today, Saturday. Then he said he's going to go get the money from the bank, and he ghosted us basically. About an hour and a bit later, he messaged me on Messenger and said, can you get my phone number? He called me. He said he's on the fence. Apparently on our first ever flip, the VN Commodore, he called us and said that he was on his way or something, and that was crazy because we had so many people message us, and it was sort of first in, best dressed. Do you know what I mean? So what can you do? So it's a bit sad. I mean, just be honest with us and say, hey, you're not going to buy it. Don't, you know, we had 3 or 4 other people that wanted to come and look at it, and we had to hold them off. And then in between all that, I had to run out and get a scrap car. We got a little Impreza, which is just scrap junk. But yeah, just a little bit sad. But hey, it is what it is. But we had a nice elderly couple buy the car. They had a BA Falcon that had electrical issues. So they paid $2,200 cash in it and drove it home. So it's so good. It's such a good feeling, Jaden, you know, saving that car, because it was basically, if I had walked away that day, it would be a tin can. So at least someone's enjoying it. And it honestly was a great, probably one of the best cars we've had.
It was super clean inside of it.
Yeah, super clean. So that's all from us. We are actually sitting in our next flip. I wonder if you could actually guess what this car is, because if you do, I don't know, I'll send you something. What do you want? I don't know, a sticker or something?
Do something.
Some people are asking about merch. It'd be one of those things that we would possibly do if there was enough interest. We wouldn't try to profit from it. We would just do it at cost. So if you were to order it, we would obviously tell you the price and all those stuff, and then we'd have to order it and then send it to you and all those things. So I don't really want to go down that path, because we are sort of more an entertainment kind of channel, and our content obviously is you know, hit and miss and all those sorts of things, and we're not super pros, and we don't claim to be pros. We're just having a bit of fun with it. So appreciate you guys coming along with the journey. We'll see you on the next flip. This car might take a couple of weeks for us to get sorted. I will give you a hint. It is a coupe. That's all I'm going to give you. Okay, bye.
We get another Falcon. On this episode, this dude is on a mission.
What we're going to do is we're going to see how many people actually pick out the hubcaps on the Falcon, being Commodore.
Spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round.